So, Jen, hello. Quick question for you. Why did you choose to donate your $1,000 to Hands on Hartford?
Well, Hands on Hartford does a lot for the Hartford community through providing supportive housing for homeless, and also their backpack program where they supply meals for K through 8 students in the city of Hartford. And Kate's gonna explain a little more of that.
So, Kate, would you mind telling us more about your Fill a Backpack program?
Sure. So we have backpacks for kids. It's basically food, breakfast and lunch for kids for Saturdays and Sundays, where the kids are normally getting breakfast and lunch free at school Mondays through Fridays, but they're more food insecure on the weekends. So we send home a backpack that's got Cheerios and oatmeal and mac and cheese and chicken noodle soup and apples and oranges and any kind of little extras we can throw in there when we get them. And it really helps the families stretch their dollars. And we are so grateful to Gengras for the amazing donation and support of that program. So thank you so much.
Jen, Kate, thank you both very much.
Thank you, appreciate it.
Thank you.